The National Assembly of France, known as the Assemblée Nationale in French, is the lower house of the French Parliament. It plays a vital role in the legislative process and represents the people of France. Historical roots. The National Assembly has its origins in the Estates General, which was convened in 1789 and led to the French Revolution. Location. The National Assembly meets in the Palais Bourbon, an elegant neoclassical building in the 7th arrondissement of Paris. Bicameral legislature. France is a bicameral legislature, with the National Assembly serving as the lower house, and the Senate as the upper house. Number of members. The National Assembly is composed of 577 members known as députés, deputies who represent various constituencies. Single-member districts. Members of the National Assembly are elected in single-member constituencies through a two-round system. 5-year terms. Members of the National Assembly serve 5-year terms, and elections are held every 5 years. Influence on government. The government of France is formed by the President of the Republic, who appoints the Prime Minister, and the Prime Minister's government is accountable to the National Assembly. Legislation. The National Assembly is responsible for proposing, debating, and passing legislation. Committees. It has numerous committees, each specializing in different policy areas, to review and draft legislation. Speaker. The President of the National Assembly is the presiding officer and is responsible for maintaining order during debates. Symbolic emblem. The emblem of the National Assembly is a rooster, which is a symbol of France and its values. National motto. The French national motto, liberty, equality, fraternity, is prominently displayed in the National Assembly chamber. Historical events. The National Assembly played a pivotal role in adopting the Declaration of the Rights of Man and of the Citizen in 1789 and the French Constitution of 1791. Gender representation. Efforts have been made to increase gender diversity in the National Assembly, and it reached a historic high of female representation in 2017. Debates and discussions. The National Assembly is known for its spirited debates and discussions on various issues, including national policies and laws. Constitutional power. It has the constitutional power to impeach the President of the Republic, although this has never been exercised. Art and architecture. The Palais Bourbon is known for its impressive art collection and architectural beauty, including works by famous artists like Delacroix. Visitor Center. The National Assembly has a visitor center where tourists can learn about its history and function through exhibits and guided tours. Limited terms. Deputies in the National Assembly are limited to 3 consecutive terms to prevent a concentration of power. International relations. The National Assembly plays a role in shaping France's foreign policy through its committees and debates. The National Assembly of France has a rich history and plays a crucial role in the country's governance, making it an important institution in French politics and society. European Heritage Days, known as Les Journées Européennes du Patrimoine in French, are an annual event celebrated in France and many other European countries. These days are dedicated to celebrating and showcasing the rich cultural and historical heritage of each participating nation. Here's some information about European Heritage Days in France. 1. Origin: European Heritage Days were first initiated in France in 1984 by then French Minister of Culture, Jacques Lang. Since then, the event has grown in popularity and expanded to other European countries. 2. Date: European Heritage Days in France usually take place on the third weekend of September each year. This two-day event allows visitors to explore a wide range of historic sites and buildings that are typically not open to the public. 3. Free access: one of the key features of European Heritage Days is that access to many heritage sites and monuments is free of charge during the event. This encourages people from all backgrounds to explore their cultural heritage. 4. Diverse offerings: the event offers a diverse program of activities, including guided tours, exhibitions, concerts, lectures, and workshops. These activities are often centered around a specific theme that changes from year to year. 5. Historic landmarks: visitors have the opportunity to visit a variety of historic landmarks, including government buildings, museums, churches, castles, private residences, and other significant cultural sites. 6. Educational component: European Heritage Days aim to educate the public about the importance of preserving and promoting cultural heritage. Many events include informative sessions about the history and significance of the visited sites. 7. Special access: some sites that are usually closed to the public are opened exclusively for European Heritage Days. This provides a unique opportunity for visitors to explore hidden treasures. 8. National participation: European Heritage Days are celebrated not only in mainland France, but also in its overseas territories and regions. Each region may have its own unique offerings and themes. 9. Themes: each year, a specific theme is chosen to focus on during European Heritage Days. Themes can range from architectural styles and historical periods to specific cultural or artistic movements. 10. Popular event: European Heritage Days are highly popular in France, and many people plan their visits to specific cities or regions to take advantage of this opportunity to explore the country's heritage. These days are a wonderful occasion for both residents and tourists to appreciate the cultural and historical richness of France. They also serve to reinforce the importance of preserving and cherishing the nation's heritage.